Hi, my name is Amy, and during my third pregnancy, I went ahead and decided to see somebody about some leg pain I'd been having. My first two prior pregnancies, I went ahead and suffered through the leg pain, and it was just pressure created on my legs due to the pregnancies. I had had leg pain all three pregnancies that caused limping and sleep issues, uncomfortability, a lot of discomfort. But the main thing was I was limping throughout the day, and I always looked like I was further along in the pregnancies than I was because of this uncomfortable walking that I would do. And the third pregnancy, I decided to see somebody about it and see if there was a way to have a more comfortable pregnancy. So I went to see Dr. Ann Lundquist, and she talked to me about what was going on. She talked to me about how my body was, compensating for the extra weight on my legs. She had a pregnancy prep pillow that she had brought out, and she went ahead and she did the chiropractic visit, and after the visit I felt the way I felt when I wasn't pregnant. My legs felt there was circulation, they felt comfortable, I wasn't limping, and I couldn't have been more amazed at how I'd suffered through the first two pregnancies with that uncomfortability. And I was so pleased the third pregnancy. I was a preschool teacher. I was able to preschool teach. I was able to get up in front of the children and do all of the things I normally could do without being uncomfortable. So I continued seeing her through the rest of the pregnancy, and some other pregnancy issues had started to come up. I was having some wrist and arm pain, again due to the pregnancy causing some stress within my own body. And I went and I saw my OBGYN, and the OBGYN said that those type of issues are very common and very normal in pregnancies, and that I would have to go ahead and continue the rest of the pregnancy, and after the pregnancy, then that arm discomfort and that arm pain would go away. And so I'd seen Dr. Lundquist because I continued seeing her so that my leg didn't start to have issues again. And I mentioned to her after a couple visits, I mentioned to her my arm issue, and she said, let's try and work it out, let's see what we can do. And I should have mentioned it to her sooner. She did great. I was sleeping good again. My arm wasn't having any more pain, any more discomfort. I couldn't say enough about going to see her while I was pregnant. I should have done it the first time around. Thank you so much.